Can grants fund real estate? So this is a question that we get all the time and that I get all the time. And yes, uh, grants can fund real estate, but only if it meets certain requirements. So one is that the project benefits the public or a specific population. I already mentioned earlier veterans. I mentioned families fleeing domestic violence. Those are special specific populations, and there may be funding available specific to those populations. That the owner is a nonprofit or partners with one. So somebody pursuing grants, if they are already have a nonprofit established, that is usually one of the eligibility pieces for a grant. The other one, and again, it depends on the type of grant that you're pursuing. Other grants could be that you could partner up with a nonprofit. And so that then allows you to be part of that grant application. And if it's a grant application that's only available, let's say it could be available for developers. You do not have to have a nonprofit and you do not have to be partnered with a nonprofit, but you have to be developing a property or housing for specific populations. So they will say in that grant application, you are a develop, we'll give you the funding for you to develop this property. However, it has to be designated for X population. Okay. And then the other is if you tie real estate to a mission. So, for example, if your mission is to build affordable housing or veterans or recover. So, there's lots of different examples there on how you can have access to grants.